Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync your Trello cards with Microsoft To Do so you can see all your tasks in one place. It's actually easier than it sounds and you'll be able to stay on top of everything without switching between apps. So first things first, simply open the Trello board you want to sync. And if you don't already have the calendar Power App enabled, that's going to be step 1. So simply go to Show menu, then select Power Apps. From there, you then have to tap Add Power App. Then search for Calendar and add it to your board. So once it's active, simply click Show menu, then select Calendar again, and you'll then be able to see your iCal feed link. So simply copy that link because you need it for Microsoft To Do. Next, you can then open Power Automate. Then create a new flow and search for Trello or use a blank flow. You then have to set it up to watch your Trello board using the iCal link. Then connect it to Microsoft To Do so that whenever a new card appears on your board, it automatically becomes a task in your to-do list. So you can also customize it to include due dates, labels, or any other details you want to track. And once it's all set up, test it with a new Trello card to make sure everything appears in Microsoft To Do. And from now on, all your new tasks will stay synced, making it much easier to manage your workflow across both apps. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.